Welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video is featuring this absolutely awesome BMW M6. We've upgraded this particular vehicle with a Autowatch Ghost 2 immobiliser system. If you're new to our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. It will keep you up to date with all our latest videos of installations that we're carrying out from workshop facilities here in Cambridge. So today's video, what we're doing is showing you exactly how the system works on this particular vehicle. Every vehicle does differ slightly between how the Ghost works on the vehicle, so just get in contact with us, we'll go through everything with you. Best thing you can do is visit us, we'll go through every single security option for you and your vehicle, and we'll go through everything in great detail. But what I'm going to do is step inside the vehicle and show you exactly how it works. So we're inside the BMW M6. I'm going to be showing you exactly how the system works. So what Ghost 2 is basically trying to do is prevent your vehicle from being stolen. It does this in a way by using factory buttons on your steering wheel or in the vehicle to immobilize the vehicle. It's to prevent key cloning, which you might have seen online of videos having their vehicles stolen within sort of 10 to 15 seconds. It's a really quick way that thieves are using to steal a vehicle, and Ghost 2 can protect your asset. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how it works. We've got the factory key here, so I'm just going to put that down for now. I'm going to start the vehicle as though I would normally. So Ghost 2 is actually installed on the vehicle currently. I'm going to put my foot on the brake, I'm going to press the start button, and the vehicle has started. So we're now good to go. So a thief has got into the vehicle. Ghost 2 doesn't protect a thief getting into the vehicle, however it does prevent them from getting away. So you may be thinking vehicle started, well they've got away. However, to drive away I need to engage gear. I'm going to select into drive, and what I've got, the vehicle just suddenly shut down. The thief at this point is going to walk away because they go, well, what's going on here? And your vehicle is protected in this way. Doesn't matter however many times I try to start the vehicle will not start, and that's what's called a gearbox lock. So it's a really effective way that we use on these Ghost 2s. Reason for that is because you can actually hear your vehicle start up. So if it is in the middle of the night, you get woken up maybe potentially, especially when you've got an M6, you've got the engine noise that might potentially wake you up. So what I'm going to do is just reset the system. So we're going to try again. I'm basically going to show you exactly how you would start the vehicle in terms of when you jump in the vehicle. Now Ghost is installed. So you've seen it with Ghost installed and how it works to prevent people stealing your vehicle, which is a key part of it. But now also you guys have to live with the vehicle, so you've got to learn how to use it. We give a full demonstration after any Ghost is installed on any vehicle to go through exactly how it works on your vehicle, and we'll explain everything in far more detail. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pretend like I'm jumping in the vehicle, press the unlock button. So now instead of putting my foot on the brake, I'm just going to press the ignition on button. So now we've got the lights on the dash. I'm going to put in my code. Obviously this is done for demonstration purposes. So what we've done is set this to 4 minus buttons. So all I'm going to do is press that now. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And this can be set between 4 and 20 presses. Then we've got 2 little indicator flashes telling me I've got my passcode correct. I now put my foot on the brake. I now start the vehicle. And now when I engage gear, it goes into drive and the gearbox does not lock out and I can drive away. So that's basically exactly how you would use your vehicle day to day. So every time you want to start your vehicle, you put in your unique code that you customize, and we'll go through with that exactly with you as well. Plus also the fact that you can actually change that code whenever you want as well. So hopefully that just gives you a little bit more of an insight in terms of exactly how the system works. You can also do on these systems, you can change these codes at ease. So it's really easy to do once we've shown you exactly how it works. So to do that, I'll show you that quickly. You just basically get in the vehicle, you turn your ignition on, you put in your current code. So again, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. That will give me my 2 clicks saying I got my password correct. So now what I'm going to do is put my foot on the accelerator pedal. And basically what this is taking Ghost into is a learning mode. So I'm going to input my code again. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what I'm going to be getting is 3 clicks every couple of seconds. So now any button I press that's on what's called the CAN bus network will activate as a single click in between that. So what I'm going to change this is to 2 plus, 2 minus. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to be my new code. It's going to flash twice just to let me know to replace my password, just like a reset password. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, just to copy that. and now it's going to be a flash of twice just to say, yeah, you got your password correct, your password's all changed. So now, this is all for demonstration purposes, by the way, but basically that's all now being adjusted completely. So our new code now is the 2+ and 2-. We can customize this in any way you want. So it's between 4 button presses to 20. So now when we jump in the car, we've got our new code set. We go ignition on, we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I can put my foot on the brake. You got your 2 flashes to say you got your password correct. Start the vehicle, no gearbox lock, and we're good to go. Hopefully you found this video useful. You've seen exactly how this Ghost 2 works on the BMW M6. If you're interested in something like this, make sure you get in contact with us. We'll drop all our links below. Best thing you can do though is press that subscribe button, which will keep you up to date with all our latest installation videos. Thank you very much for watching. If you're interested, get in touch and we'll upgrade your car soon. Thank you.